VidSupremacy, create hundreds of videos in minutes and magnetize traffic to your site instantly. 6. Stay ahead of the competition. Capitalize on the latest trends by creating hundreds of videos around popular topics. 7. User-friendly and simple. VidSupremacy is crafted for the struggling content creator. It's simple, user-friendly, and requires no technical skills. 8. Unlimited potential. Works in any niche, any offer. It's fully scalable, repeatable. 9. Enjoy free updates forever, ensuring VidSupremacy remains cutting edge. 10. Get 24/7 support and 100 uptime guaranteed from our always available team for any assistance needed. So what's the price? Imagine spending $1 to $5 per click with Facebook or Google ads just to acquire a lead, or spending hours and hours trying to generate free traffic with little or no results. Now imagine that you can generate unlimited free traffic with just a few videos, a few minutes of your time, and a few dollars to invest in the setup. You can create as many videos as you want, and each video can drive thousands of people to your website from all over the world. Today you can get access to VidSupremacy for a low one-time price. So how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time, one-time offer. After the launch, we will be turning the price into monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this way we will be able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features, and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You will lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. Don't let his opportunity pass you by, or you will regret it later. VidSupremacy is the best, fastest, easiest way to generate high-quality buyer traffic with minimum effort and no risk. If you don't take action now, you will miss out on being one of the first ones to dominate your market with this revolutionary AI technology. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the VidSupremacy at a higher price, or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now. Remember, 2022-2023, the best years for short-form videos. The golden era, the viral revolution that shook the internet. But now, all gone. And you might have missed the boat. Newbies, kids, grandpas, housewives, and CEOs alike, everyone jumped on the trend. The world was consumed with 15-second clips, from YouTube Shorts to TikTok to Instagram Reels. And what a time it was. Millions of views, traffic, subscribers, even commissions. But 2024 is flipping the script. AI killed the golden era of short-form videos, the viral videos, the fame, the traffic. But then entered AI, the game changer. Suddenly the field wasn't level anymore. The competition spiked. Rich marketers, influencers, and big brands used AI to churn out videos. Hundreds, thousands of them every single day. You are no longer competing with just people. You are competing with machines, algorithms. It became harder and harder to stand out and get noticed. It became a numbers game, and numbers AI had us beat. The enemy isn't just AI. There's more beneath the surface. You're fighting unseen enemies. These tricky algorithms called shadow bans. They're like invisible walls blocking your videos from reaching the masses. Burnout's waiting around the corner. You're racing against the clock, creating videos one by one. It's a treadmill that's moving too fast. It's not sustainable. As an online marketer, time's your most precious asset. Juggling content creation, promotion, and business management, you're stretched too thin. Short-form videos demand your attention, but where's the time? What if you could create hundreds of viral shorts reels with a single keyword in minutes, and then make them go viral and pull in millions of views, traffic, subscribers, commissions? You're no longer playing catch-up. Instead, you're leading the pack. You've got the power of AI in your hands, working for you, not against you. And all without spending hours creating videos one by one, even with the AI softwares, without writing scripts, recording, and editing, without exhausting yourself trying to keep up with the competition, without worrying about getting shadow banned or losing views, without begging for views and subscribers like a desperate marketer, and most importantly, without missing out on the next big trend. And today I'm going to show you how to tap into the power of AI and dominate every short-form video platform without breaking a sweat. Whether it's YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter, no matter where your audience is, you can be there, leading the pack and dominating the game. Hi, my name is Ram Rawat. and I am a marketing nerd that loves to solve complicated problems, especially for online marketers. And I am super grateful to be able to help over 50,000 marketers worldwide succeed with my training, strategies, and softwares, which in turn has generated me over $2 million in sales in the last 4 years. Just months ago, I nearly said I quit. I was living in front of my computer creating shorts and reels nonstop, trading my life for views and commissions. And that is when I was already using other AI softwares. The workload was suffocating and outsourcing was draining my profits. Every day was the same, filled with content creation, but stripped of joy and passion. I found myself hating the very thing I desired, free traffic. This once exciting journey was turning into a nightmare. And then the results started to dwindle. Competition was racing ahead. I was at a crossroads, risk burnout or find a smarter way to win this game. I started researching, looking for a solution that would bring back my time, my sanity. No more endless video creation. No more daily idea brainstorming. I was desperate for a shortcut. Then one day I stumbled on a channel called Daily Facts Worth, thousands of shorts, all simple yet shockingly alike. Each one pulling in views from 10K to 100K to an unbelievable 1 million. The best part? They were knocking out 10-20 of these every single day. This was my eureka moment. I wondered, could I replicate this strategy? Could I take it